Did you know you can now create reminders right inside your calendar app without opening the reminder app? With Android 16, Samsung makes it easier to manage your schedule and to-dos in one place. Let's see how to create a reminder directly from the calendar app. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. By default, the new event screen appears. Tap Reminders at the top. Now, type your reminder title. Choose whether it's an all-day reminder or set a specific time. As example, let's set it to 8 p.m. Tap Repeat if you want to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly, or you can leave it to don't repeat if it's just one-time reminder. Tap Alert Type to select how strong the reminder should be. You can choose light, medium, or strong. Finally, tap Save to store your reminders. Now your reminder will appear right in your calendar view, easy to track along with your event. And that's how you can manage both event and reminders from one place using Samsung Calendar on Android 16. No need to switch app anymore. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.